my main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yo, what's up, Short Guy fam? It's your boy JP. This is another video, Short Guy Productions. And I received a package. You guys want to see? Alrighty, here's the product. And I'll give you a couple seconds to figure out what it is. 3, 2, 1. Alright. It's a front bumper lip diffuser, I guess. Or, yeah, let me unwrap it and show you guys. Hey man, telling you about packaging really well. Took me like 10 minutes to just take off the package. So guys, here it is. This is what it looks like. So unfinished black. I'm sorry. Look at the mess I made here. My wife is gonna kill me. There's the hardware here. Gotta cut this off. But anyway, I'll do it later. So here it goes, look. Looks cool. I saw it on eBay, and it looked cool on the car. There's this little, whatever wing thing, like a little air goes through that way on each side of it. I mean, this is the closest thing I'm gonna get to like a splitter, bumper split, like a front splitter thing. I have two options with this thing. Either I could get it painted to match my color, black, you guys know, or I could take it to a place to get it wrapped. And I was thinking of doing a carbon fiber look. I think that would look cool. And I don't know, it's not real carbon fiber, but hey, nobody has to know. But I think I will go with option B. I think we'll get a wrapped carbon fiber and just put it in. What do you guys think? Let me know. You know, still have time before I even put it on. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take it to the car. Maybe I could put it on and you guys could see how it looks. If not, then you will have to wait for a while. All right, ready? All right, guys. We have a little problem here. I'm gonna show you. Well, this is how it looks. I mean, I haven't try to put it like on it. Well, I can't put it on anyway. Now the problem is, get down here. Sorry, my car's dirty. I haven't taken a wash. See this thing? I think this is like a deflector to prevent like rocks and all that hitting my car, whatever. See, look what happened since I lowered my car. Every like bumps, speed bumps by my job, keep scraping the bottom part here. So I have to take this off in order for me to put this thing on, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. But I'm not gonna do it anytime soon. No, I can't say anytime soon. Probably soon, but not now. But I think I'm just gonna get it like carbon fiber, wrap it with carbon fiber, you know, and then it'll be good. You know? Should look pretty. But like I said, I'll have other things coming, so get ready. This car is gonna look beautiful. I mean, even though it's beautiful as it is. So, you know, my plans are right now is just to mod the car, the exterior part. Man, look how low that baby sits. Look at that. I know the fitment ain't good. That thing is tucked in, man. She's tucked in. It's all right, but we need to bring those things out. It's too tucked in. Yep. Anyway, here it looks. Probably show you like a little picture of how it's supposed to look. And I can't wait to get installed, wrap it, installed. It's gonna be fun. Thank you for watching. Just stay with me, people. Just stay with me. I got more videos coming. Got more things happening with my car. You know, it's gonna take time, brother and sisters. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button hit the subscribe button and hit the notification buttons to watch all my future videos and watch all my other videos, share with your friends, family, and all that good stuff. So until next time, peace.